Okay, all right. Hello, everyone. Good morning. So, I went to chance to do my analysis last night, but today I'm going to drop it for you. So, this is GBPJPY. Just a quick recap. Now, GJ, I was bullish of this level. Price will continue rallying and go up, but then, as you can see, what price did, it came to this level right here. It just came here and tapped it and formed a head and shoulder pattern, if you will. And now it has taken out that support level. So what I am anticipating for on this pair is now I'll be looking for sells. So I will be looking for a quick pullback. All right, maybe up here, as the case may be. Then I will now be selling it back down to my 4-hour level. First profit target here. So that's it right there. And it's going to dump down here 160 pips thereabout. So I'll go down to smaller time frame to look for setups in line with my overall trade. All right, moving on. Um, Let me see the pair I'll be touching today. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go to my one of my personal favorite. That's the case. GBPUSD. All right. So right currently now the pound is a bit messy, but then we can still break this down easy and accurately. All right. So first things first, weekly as always, top down analysis. That's the key. Get your weekly. Get it here. All right, we can use this one right here, these spikes. You have this spike there. That's pretty much it on the weekly levels. Moving on. All right, on the daily, weekly, previous week, you can see this strong bullish close, and then price boom goes up, rejects this, breaks above this weekly level 1.2650, closes above it. Maybe we can see a rally upwards. The on the daily, we can just draw this trend line here as a guide. We can draw it as a guide. We can potentially see price pullback maybe to retest this trend line before give us a third trend line bounce before it now ricochets and goes back up. All right, that's about that. That's the first step. Okay. On the daily, we also have these itty bitty levels, but there's no point putting it there. You can always get them on our 4-hour levels, exactly right about here. So 4-hour levels, this level has been taken care of by the weekly. We see price breaks out 1, 2, and then flies back up. Flies back up. All right, so let's look for. All right, so the only level that I might consider putting on here is that daily level here. And we see what price did. Price came, spiked into this daily resistance, spiked in, and then just melted back down again. Couldn't close above it, didn't get that desired close, just spiked in, dipped his head above water, head below water, and then melted. All right, that being said, 4 hour, we have this 4-hour level right here. Bullseye. All right, we have this 4-hour level too. What can we see? We see here price 1, 2, boom, and liquidity comes to the market and the price just dumps down. By the way, I am, if you have noticed, I am what you call a naked chartist. I do not use indicators, just pure price action that I read. I try to read. All right. So GU now. Next thing, we have this structural level right here. So what we are going to anticipate for now is what price will do around this level. Either we get a break or a bounce. Personally, I will be looking for a bounce for it to go back up, make a lower high, and then melt down back again. So we can see something like this, maybe 80 pips. Then we can go back down here as low as there. That's what I will be anticipating for on GBPUSD. Potential levels, we have 1.2500. Okay, 4 hour level. We also have um, this level right here. If that breaks, we have 1.23456, and that's the case. So if once we reach this bridge, we are going to cross it. So this market has to come back, close all these gaps, fulfill all these levels. If you notice, people will be buying here, with stops below here, stops below here also. So market can come back, take out all these stops, make a lower high, or sorry, a higher low with respect to this one. Remember, these are overall level. So market can just dump down, take out all these stops before we now have another clear rush back up to make an uptrend. It might respect this trend line, it might not. But then even if price breaks this trend line, I will still be looking at this level first to hold for me to go forward. But now let's just focus on current price action. Current price action now. If you're looking to take trades from here, a level that you can point out, all right, a level that you can use, this level right here. Let's use this one. So price can come back here, give us a lower high, or either that level or we have this level right here too. So two levels, price comes back here to retest it, 1.2700. Price comes to retest this level, then we can start looking for shorts back to the downside. We won't put a buy limit, but then we'll be looking puts here. Maybe our stop loss will be, we can put our stop loss just above here, 50 pips stop loss, and then our overall target will be more or less 200 pips, 1.2500. So that's my quick wrap up on GBPUSD. This is what I'm expecting price to pull back up. However, as always, we always look for second possibilities. If price respects this level and successfully pulls back up and then takes out this high right here, then we can successfully say that we are still in an uptrend. So we can be seeing maybe price come up to 1.2900 thereabout, this level right here, come up back here, as case may be. But me, I am currently bearish. We have three drives, 1, 2, 3. Market relieves itself. We need that relief, back down, then goes back up again. Okay, so that's it on GBP USD. Another sweet confirmation is if this candlestick should close like this on the day, then it's going to give us more confidence to actually sink this pair downwards. We already have this spike. Price spikes into this daily and then just quickly reverses and dumps down back. So that's another confluence right there. That beautiful spike market left for us. All right, so that's about that on GBPUSD. G is by the way one of my favorite currency pairs, so I love it so much. I just don't know why. So that's it. I think we use this level 1.2950. So that's it. So I'll be wrapping up the video here. As always, I'll be expecting price to come here. I'll be looking for what price to do. Maybe I'll go down to my 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes time frame. Look for potential reversals back up here. If we want to be conservative, you can wait for this. Wait for price to pull back and then take your sell and dump it back down. So that's it. Thank you very much. And don't forget to like and drop your comments at the end of the video. Thank you very much.